Here we have the work of a very, very interesting artist, Mboto Okumbe. It's an African artist that was that studied in Yenga, Professor Mpembe, and sorry, and please don't step on the work, sir. It's a very expensive work. It's called Zebra. Here it's a series of graphics, and in the series of graphics you can see the delta of the river Senega. And in each of them is the several stages of this river.
Delamo Pocestnico.
In Pocestnica je?
Pocestnica je ready-made galerija na prostem. Pocestnica je danes mokra, ker je dež.
To je bilo pogodo Pocestnici, ali to ni bilo tako redo?
To ni bilo najbolj za Pocestnico, zato ker je bilo manj obiskovalcev.
Here it's a little bit small, so you have to come closer. You have to come closer.
Come closer.
Come closer,
Don't
please.
be afraid. Come closer, squeeze. Come
No,
closer.
it's not to look, it's to smell.
Come closer.
Smell, but if it's right there, lady, you cannot smell. You have to come here.
To je neka zanimiva kontacija, mokra Pocestnica.
Ja, smo razmišljali, da bi rekli vlažna Pocestnica, ampak potem smo se odločili za mokra Pocestnica.
The performance, me, myself and I, bringing back the idea of the girl in the window and the inside, outside, in.
Naša ideja je pa prvič ljudi, ki ne hodijo v galerije, ki so samo mimoidoči, jim približati sodobno umetnost.
Okay, so from an unknown artist, this is probably one of my favorite works here. It's named The Invisible Tree. It's you can the sense of the artist was the strangeness of nature and how nature is all around us. But sometimes you can see it, and here we can almost touch this tree.
In drugič ljudem probati označiti oziroma pokazati neke naravne zanimive stvari v javnem prostoru, ki jih navadno ne opazimo, ker hodimo od točke A do točke B.
First time in Slovenia and around, we have a Picasso. Here we are. Come and see, but don't touch. No, and don't even get close. You touch the city and the city touches you. So for this I will need a volunteer. Who's a volunteer here? Okay, come please, sir. We are going to close our eyes. Come closer to the water. We're going to close our eyes, and both we are going to insert our hands in the little spot here, and feel the city. Do feel the city. Can you feel it? No. Can you feel it? Yeah. Insert more. Can you feel it? Great.
Ja, zgleda dost hecno, ampak ni čisto samo hec.
Mafia Palermo ena. Ne, to mafija.
He thought about the small creatures who have small prices, and here, yes, we have the Plagaina, and this one was thought about for the intention of giving the society to give everything to everybody, and here we are. And continuing.
Ste subvertivni?
Vsekakor. Politični pa dokler do neke mere, ker je vse politično, smo mi tudi politični, ampak načeloma pa se držimo umetnosti.
We have Stuporama Panorama, which in English would be something like piggyback society. And you can see there, it's a performance on sculpture. you have the dense series of iron sculptures with flesh.
Pocestnica, na primer, se ukvarja z javnim prostorom in tudi večino naših drugih projektov se ukvarja z javnim prostorom in seveda se mi ukvarjamo z vprašanjem, komu je javni prostor namenjen in kako javni prostor dejansko živi z ljudmi, ki ga uporabljajo.
For example, you can see that the two persons are walking, but even though if they're walking, they cannot go out of the circle. They're all the time trapped in the circle. So the author is actually dealing with today's problem of being closed.
A little bit of spring for these rainy days. We have the Deer of Love. The Deer of Love with its very little details, the hearts glinting everywhere.
Idejni vodja in organizator je Kudljut, ki je povabil k sodelovanju umetnike iz Ljubljane pa tudi iz tujine. In potem smo jim dali nalogo, da najdejo že obstoječe arhitekturne elemente in scene in naravne pojave v zunji in jim dajo ime in naslov, dimenzije avtorja, koncept, jih opremijo kot galerijsko delo. In potem smo naredili eno tako turo z zemljevidom po ulicah, ki povezujejo galerijo Vžigalica in pa Studio 8, ki sta tudi dva soorganizatorja dogodka. In vabimo ljudi, da si ogledajo to že obstoječo turo in da hkrati tudi sami sodelujejo kot umetniki in nam pošljajo na kudljut@gmail.com svoje ideje za pocestnico, ki bo virtualna spletna pocestnica www.pocestnica.net z avtorji, naslovi in zgodbami.